Okay, so let's use a Venn diagram just to identify the different types of organic reactions that we need to know about in IB chemistry. First of all, there will be substitution reactions, where I will replace one group on a molecule with another group. We have addition reactions, which tend to be either adding a small molecule to a larger molecule or adding lots of similar molecules together. We've got condensation reactions, of which there are two types you might come across. And then finally, we've got oxidation and reduction reactions. Now, the extra layer of detail we can give for some of these in terms of the type of reaction they are is also useful to highlight here. So in terms of substitution reactions, we might come across free radical substitutions, and that will involve forming free radicals via homolytic fission, which can then go through a number of propagation and then termination steps. Secondly, we could see some nucleophilic substitution reactions, and that would be replacing normally a halogen, chlorine, fluorine, bromine or something, with a nucleophile that could be, for example, a hydroxide ion. Thirdly, we might also see electrophilic substitution reactions, and the example you're likely to see in the course is replacing a hydrogen on a benzene ring with a nitro group, or NO2+, to make nitrobenzene. In terms of addition reactions, there's two kind of subcategories we might need to know. First of all would be electrophilic addition. And when we're talking about electrophilic addition, we are normally going to be adding a small molecule to the double bond in an alkene. And those small molecules might be water, it could be a hydrogen molecule, or it could be a hydrogen halide, for example, hydrogen chloride. The second type of addition reaction we might see are polymerization reactions. And these involve adding lots and lots of alkenes or monomers together to form a polymer. In terms of the condensation reactions we might come across, well, firstly, you might learn how to make esters in a process called esterification. And the reason this is considered a condensation reaction is because a molecule of water is produced when two organic compounds react together. The second type of condensation you might come across is another form of polymerization, where in this case, for example, making polyamides or polyesters, we're reacting monomers together, and when doing so, we produce a small molecule of water as well. In terms of oxidation and reduction reactions, there's not really any subcategories in either of those circles. However, they are both related to, in the case of oxidation, we're oxidizing primary and secondary alcohols. And if we're looking at reduction, we'll be going backwards towards primary and secondary alcohols by reducing carboxylic acids or aldehydes. We could also reduce a ketone to form that secondary alcohol. And that's pretty much it for the kind of overall understanding. You might want to see videos addressing each of the individual bits, but that will probably do us for now. Hopefully this video is of some help.